We use no helping verb when the subject of the question is who. When the subject of the question is not known. When the subject, for example, who owns this car? Here, who is the subject. Subject of the question here is hidden in the word who. So, we don't use helping verb here. We just use who and then the verb. Who owns this car? Who owns this house? Who owns this land? Who owns this building? Who broke the chair? John broke the chair, which is used about choice. Which color do you like? Who is used about the person. Who broke the chair? Who broke the chair? Who stole my pen? What is about used about the nature of action? What did he say? What did he say? Here our question is, we want information about what he or she has said. What did he say? What did he do? Why did he do? Here why is about the reason of action. Why did he tell lies? Why did he say this? Why did he tell a lie? Why did he tell a lie? Whose pen is this? Whose horse is this? Whose horse is this? Who owns this car? Who owns this horse? Who owns this house? Who owns this land? Who owns this building? Whose horse is this? Whose pen is this? Whose bag is this? Whose is used for possession, means to whom the bag, the house, the land, the horse belongs. We use WH questions to ask for information, and the answer to WH questions is never yes or no. Answer is information. We have to give information when WH questions are used. For example, who broke the chair? Answer is John broke the chair. Who is shouting? John is shouting. Which color? John likes black color. John likes red color. John likes blue color. Whose painting is this? Whose car it is? So here it is John's car. So which horse won the race? Here the question is about, for example, there are 10 horses and one of them has won the race. So question is which horse? We say the black horse won the race. The black horse won the race. And if you use another question, has the black horse won the race? Yes, the black horse has won the race. Are you sure the black horse has won the race? Yes, the black horse has won the race. Who owns the black horse? I own the black horse. I own the black horse. Do you own the black horse? Yes, I own the black horse. Who bought this? Who bought the black horse? John bought the black horse. John purchased the black horse. Whose phone is ringing? Whose phone rang? Who loves eating pizza? He called. Why did he call? He called to inform about the party. Who bought this house? She has bought this house. She has purchased this house. Who has bought this house? What fell off the wall? A brick fell off the wall. What fell off the wall? A brick fell off the wall. Which horse won the race? Which horse won the race? Black horse won the race. Whose horse it is? It is John's horse. Which horse won the race? The black horse won the race. Which color do you like? I like black color. I like red color. I like green color. I like blue color. Which color do you like? It's about choice between colors. Which color do you like? When did he come? It's about timing. When did he come? Which gift would you like? Which gift you want for your birthday? Which gift you want for your birthday? Do you love eating pizza? Who loves eating pizza? Do you love eating pizza is question about liking and disliking. So here we know to whom we are putting the question. Here you is the subject. Do you love eating pizza? Who loves eating pizza? Who is the one who likes that? For example, there are 10 people and we don't know. There are 2 people or 4 people. We don't know who loves eating pizza, and 3 of them raise their hands and say, we love eating pizza. Then 2 of them say, we love eating pizza. Then one of them says, I love eating pizza. I love eating pizza. She also loves eating pizzas. Who is in fact question about the person who loves eating pizzas. These 2 boys love eating pizza. Who is late today? Is a question about the 2 employees who are late today. It is question about 10 employees who are late today. It's question about 1 person who is late today. Who is late today? Who has come late today? Who has come late today? Who has arrived late today? Who wants an ice cream? We have used wants immediately after who. We have used wants means verb immediately after who. So here no helping verb has been used. Why no helping verb has been used? Because we don't know who is the subject, so we haven't used helping verb here, and only who is the subject here, who is playing the role of subject here.